So for this exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to install create a database, a RAC database. And we have not installed the actual Oracle software. What we have installed is the grid infrastructure and run ASMCA to create the disk groups. So we're going to do the creation of the database in two steps. First, we're going to install the database software, and then we're going to run DBCA to create the database. Two things that we did ahead of time is to make sure this particular configuration is done with the Oracle user alone. So there's no grid user and Oracle user separation. There's just the Oracle user itself. So when we start this installation, we need to make sure our bash profile is empty and there's no Oracle SID, Oracle Home, or Oracle Base defined, and that has already been done. Also, after the installation of the grid infrastructure, the U01 and U01 app have been schmodded for root, but not for Oracle. So it's not enough for Oracle install. So we need to make sure that that U01 and U01 app are schmodded to 775 on all the nodes, and I've already went ahead and did that. So now I'm actually in the location where I need to be, and now I'm going to run installer. Here I'm just doing the database software only. Later I'm going to use DBCA. I don't need to do the SSH connectivity here because I do not have a grid and Oracle user separation. I have done the Oracle SSH connectivity when I did the grid infrastructure as the Oracle user. So we can skip that. Okay, here we go. So finally, we have this guy, and so now we're going to go ahead and run root.sh. And let's go ahead and do it for the second node as well. Okay, so we say okay, and then this should finish very quickly, and it does. Okay, so this is the second part of the exercise now. So we've already installed the database software under RAC. So actually we've installed cluster, we've run ASMCA to add the disk groups, and we've run the run installer for the database software. Now all we need to do is run DBCA and create a database. At this point, what I have done is updated the bash profile for Oracle, and I'll cat that for you. And I have run it. So now the Oracle base, Oracle home, and path has been defined. So we should be able to run DBCA at this point and create a database. For these purposes, we're just going to create a general purpose database. And we're going to create an admin managed database. We're not going to configure Enterprise Manager. We'll leave this alone for now, but we will make our database an AL32 UTF-8 database, character set. And now we're creating our database. Okay, and finally now we can see the database has been created.